pause for a moment and listen with your heart, because God wants to give you hope today. Right now, you might be thinking about things you lost. Lost time, lost opportunities, lost relationships, lost joy, lost confidence. And maybe deep inside you wonder, will I ever get it back? The Bible answers in Joel 2:25, I will restore to you the years that the locusts have eaten. That is not just a verse, that is a promise. God is not just a healer, He is a restorer. He restores what life damaged. He restores what people stole. He restores what the enemy destroyed. You may feel like too much time has passed, like you're too old to start again, like you missed your moment. But God says, I can give it back. Think about Job. He lost everything: family, health, wealth, peace. But in the end, God restored to him double what he lost. And the same God who restored Job is the God who is watching over you. You will not end in loss. You will not end in emptiness. You will not end in defeat. God is preparing a comeback. God is rebuilding what was broken. God is renewing what was taken. The Bible says in Psalm 126:5, they that sow in tears shall reap in joy. Your tears were not wasted. Your pain is not pointless. Your loss is not final. God is about to surprise you. The areas of your life that looked dead will leave again. The doors that closed will open again. The strength you lost will return again. And the future you thought was gone will shine brighter than anything behind you. Hold on. Have faith. Stay close to God. Restoration is coming.